Hello, kids. How are you today? How do you feel? How do you feel? Happy? Sad? Worried? Or surprised? Today we are going to work on feelings. So, how do you feel today? Look! Oh, lots of feelings. Can you see the feelings? Feelings, sentimientos? Good. Let's see. You can feel happy. Can I see your happy faces? Show me your happy faces. Happy. Or you can feel tired. You want to sleep. You feel tired. Happy or tired? Very good. Oh, you can feel worried. Not worried, preocupado, or surprised. Worried? Can you show me your worried faces? Very good. Surprised. Surprised. Now you are surprised. Very good. Excellent. Let's see the next feeling. You know, this one is sad. You feel sad. You cry. Or you can feel in love. Can you see the hearts? Love. Or you can feel angry. Sad. Now you are sad. Show me. Or you are in love. You are so happy. And then you are angry. You feel angry. Very good. Excellent, Pinocho. Excellent work on feelings. Very good. Now, I have a game for you. First, you have a song. A song? Remember, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Do you remember that song? Good. It's a song about feelings. It's a song about feelings. If you're happy, if you're angry, if you're asleep, you're tired. After singing the song, I have a game for you. Un juego, pero le vamos a tener que pedir ayuda a los papás en casa. Es un matching game, un juego para unir, ¿ok? And it's about feelings. Miren lo que dice acá. Este es la foto original. Y este es el que hice yo. Bastante parecidos. Dibujamos las caritas con los feelings. Esta parte sí la pueden hacer ustedes, Pinocho. Miren. Sleepy. Sad. Angry. Surprised. Worried. Happy and in love. Y después, con ayuda de los papás, we cut. We use scissors to cut. Y después jugamos a unir las dos partecitas de la cara para que se forme el feeling. Pinocho, today I feel happy. Today I feel happy. Bueno, espero que les haya gustado el juego. Y mándenme videitos y fotos cuando lo hayan armado. Está súper divertido. ¿Les parece si una vez que hayan armado con cartón las caritas con los feelings, las hayan practicado? Hay una parte muy importante, es que cuando la unís tenés que decir el feeling. Como hice yo recién, miren. I match the two parts of the face and I say happy. I feel happy. ¿Les parece a los papás si me ayudan y estos sets que arman de cartón los guardan para después usarlos en la salita? ¿Les parece? Bueno. Pinocho, see you later. Alligator, bye bye bye. Butterfly.